Okay, so now we'll start with the sum. Here we have the pattern. For this pattern we have to construct the table. So first you will write P Q, then give the importance to the negation of P, negation of Q. It is there नहीं है, सो नो नीड, मतलब एक्स्ट्रा कॉलम बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अगर है तो इंक्रीज करना, अदरवाइज लिव दैट पार्ट. ओके, then after that, here what is the main connection? Main connection is what? Implies. So ये जो पूरा पैटर्न है at the end it will come, yes or no? So first this will come P, already P it is there ना, so वापस से नहीं आएगा वो कॉलम, बराबर कि नहीं? ऑलरेडी इट इज़ देयर ना, पी ले लिया. नाउ दिस पैटर्न विल कम, ये वाला स्लॉट आएगा. बिफोर दैट फर्स्ट चेक नेगेशन ऑफ पी इंडिविजुअल है, यस. क्यू है इंडिविजुअल, यस. सो नाउ द होल स्लॉट विल कम. अंडरस्टूड? गॉट द पॉइंट? Okay, so now at the end the full pattern will come. Chalo, understood? So now for P it is what? True true, false false. For Q it is what? True false true false, yes or no? We know that for negation true will be false and false will be what? True. Okay, now what is the fourth column? Negation of P. First see the first alphabet, first come first. Negation of P, so we have to see this versus this, because the pattern says that negation of P or Q, so that means we have to check like this, not like this. Understood? This way is wrong, this is right. So the first alphabet is what? Negation of P, then Q. Okay, so between these two, now what is the connection? It is OR, yes or no? So for OR we know the table, yes or no? और में क्या होता है? फोर्थ वाला याद रखो, वेयर फॉल्स और फॉल्स इज फॉल्स एंड द रेस्ट इज ट्रू, yes or no? Just simply focus on false and false. Where is false and false? False and false, that you have to check first. हर एक चीज़ करते बैठना नहीं. So there are two methods. The first one is see for each and every term, or else we know that for or simply check false or false, because we know that when it is true true it is true, when it is true false for true, false or true it is true, but for false or false it is false. Only check for false false. Where is false and false? Yes, in the second row. So can I say false and false is false, rest it is with true false true true false true. As we know that true 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 false false true is what? All others are what? True. So this will be what? True. या तो इंडिविजुअल से चेक करो, और एल्स सिंपली फोकस ऑन फॉल्स एंड फॉल्स. चेक वेयर इज फॉल्स एंड फॉल्स, उसकी जगह फॉल्स लिखो एंड द रेस्ट विल बी व्हाट? ट्रू. ओके, नाउ बिटवीन व्हाट? Now between what? See the last P, first come first. So here P is first, yes or no? So P with negation of P or Q. What is the connection? Implies. Implies में we know that what? We know that in implies second वाला याद रखना है, because true implies true is true, true implies false is false, false implies true is true, false implies false is true. मतलब सिर्फ true implies false is false and the rest will be true. So simply focus on this true implies false. See the first alphabet. अभी ऐसा देखना है, ऐसा like this, yes or no. ऐसा उल्टा नहीं जाना, उल्टा जाओगे तो आंसर रॉन्ग आ जाएगा. So now like this, okay. Check for, only we have to check for true false, because we know that when it is true true, false true, false false, the answer is true only. Only check for true false, true false, true false, true false, true false, true false. Can I say it is there in the second row? So that true false will be false, and we know that किधर भी true false नहीं है, so the rest will be what? True. Understood? So that's the final answer we can say. So in this way you have to construct the table. Got the point? Okay, shall we move on to the next example? Here the pattern is what? Negation of P implies negation of Q. So here the main connection is implies. So the first step will be what? You will write PQ. That will be fixed for each and every sum, whether it is type number 1, 2 or 3. Okay, then give importance to the negation. So here we have negation of P and even negation of Q also, yes or no. Done. Then after that, this is the main connection. So ये slot अलग हो गया और ये slot अलग हो गया. Check negation of P, it is there. Yes, already it is there. मैंने पहले से लिख दिया है. Now this slot will come, which is P implies negation of Q. Done with negation of P also, done with this slot also. So we left with this pattern ना, ये पूरा pattern, and the main connection is imply. So negation of P implies negation of Q. Yes or no? Okay, so now for P it is true true, false false. For Q it is true false, true false. Yes or no? Negation of P will be what? False false, true true, and this will be false true false true. Done. Now we have to check for P. See the first alphabet is P, and then negation of Q, and the connection is implies. For implies we know that implies के लिए we have to check only the second one. True false, true say false, true say implies false, true implies false is false, and rest will be true. Whether it is true true, false true, false false, check the answer is true. Only for true, when it is going to false, the answer is false. Okay, check only for true false, true false. Only the first one is there ना, true false is false. बाकी इधर भी check करो, true false is there anywhere? नहीं है. So directly you can write true. हर एक चीज़ ऐसा करते मत जाओ. ओके, तो इसमें क्या हो जाएगा? टाइम वेस्ट हो जाएगा. बिकॉज फॉर ईच एंड एवरी सम देर इज़ अ टाइम मैनेजमेंट. मतलब ये पर्टिकुलर सम्स के लिए ऐसा टाइम मैनेजमेंट होता है. विद इन 3 to 4 minutes यू हैव टू कंप्लीट. तो अगर हर एक चीज़ ऐसा करते बैठो टाइम जाएगा. यस और नो? प्रैक्टिस करो, जितना प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना स्पीड बढ़ते जाएगा. ओके, डूइंग ओनली 1 or 2 sum you cannot become expert. Okay, if you want to be expert in this types of sum, so at least you have to try 5 to 6 sums, yeah, more than that. Okay, so now the last slot is between negation of P. Where is negation of P? Yes, this, and between this the connection is implies. Again it is implies में second one, true से false will check. true say false, true say false, true say false, true say false. Yes or no? Understood? Got the point? True say false. So is there true say false? No. So the final answer will be what? The final answer will be what? True, true, true and true. That's it. Understood? Any doubt? Just go through this. Okay, so now for this sum, first P will come, then Q, then negation of P and negation of Q. Yes or no? Here the main connection is double implies, so this slot will come first, negation of P or negation of Q, then after that this slot will come, P and Q, then after that the final pattern will come. Yes or no? Done? So done with the construction. Now can you try this sum by yourself? Please try this sum. Try to solve the sum within 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, the time start now. So now we'll take one sum based on 3 alphabet. Okay, so now for 3 alphabet we know that condition कितना आएगा 8. So first you will write P, Q and then R. Yes or no? Then after that give importance to negation. So यहाँ पर सिर्फ negation of R is there. Yes or no? So here the main connection is OR. So this pattern will come first, then negation of R, already it is there in the table, so ये पूरा slot आ जाएगा. So got the point how to construct? Yes or no? Understood? Okay, so we know that for P, for when we have 3 alphabet, we write 4 times true and 4 times false. For Q 2 2. Yes or no? ये सब मैंने ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन किया है पहले. फॉर R 1 टाइम ट्रू फॉल्स, ट्रू फॉल्स, ट्रू फॉल्स, ट्रू फॉल्स. Yes or no? Now the next one we have to find the negation of R. Negation of R. Yes or no? Negation of R. So the negation of R, true will be false, false will be true, true will be false, false will be true. Done? Yes or no? Now what is the next? P and Q. For and, we know that true and true is true and the rest will be false. Whether it is true, false, false, true, false, false, the answer is false. Only you have to check for true, true. If it is in the pattern there is true, true, you will write true and the rest will be false. Only focus on true, true. So PQ, no? PQ, yes or no? So between these two, what is the connection? And, yes or no? So check only for true, true. True, 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 true. बाकी किधर भी नहीं है. So can I say true and true will be true, true and true will be true. बाकी किधर भी नहीं है ना, देखो ना, true, 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 true दिख रहा है, नहीं है. So rest will be what? False. Got the point? Now between now between P and Q, so this is the first come first, and then R. So what is the connection? Or के लिए we know that again, for or के लिए only the last one, that is false, or false will be false and the rest will be true. Means true, 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 false, false, true will be true. Only we have to check for false and false. False or false check करो किधर है. And see the pattern. First come first is P and Q. तो ऐसा देखना है. Okay, like this, not like this. ऐसा देखा तो wrong हो जाएगा. ऐसा. Okay. So simply you have to check only false, 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 false. It is there. Yes, false and false is what? False. False, 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 false. It is there. False. False, false, false. Yes or no? Here also it is false. Okay, so the rest will be what? True. That's it. Okay, so now we'll move on to the next type, that is the type number 2. We'll see how to prove that pairs of the statement patterns are equivalence. That means equal. So this symbol stands for equivalence. So we'll consider this as left hand side and this side right hand side. So for this sum, there are two methods. Solve this part separately and this part separately, and then give this pattern as 1 and 2, and then from 1 and 2 we can say that both are equal. Now check, here it is given that prove. That means the final answer of this, it should match with the right hand side. Prove बोला है. It is not check whether. Check whether मतलब वो equal आ भी सकता है, नहीं भी आ सकता है. It is prove, show that. That means the final answer of this, the last column of this, it will be equal to last column of this pattern. Okay, chalo, we'll see now. Start. So we'll see, that was the first method. Second method is what? एक ही column में पूरा करना है with the numbering. Now listen here. In the type number 2, sometime they will not use this symbol. In place of this, they will write and. Now for the type number 2, here the and stand for equivalence, equivalent. Okay, understood? Like suppose if I say P and Q and P or Q, and the question is prove that the pair of the statement pattern are equivalence. Yeah, equivalent. For this type of sum, this and actually it is not this symbol, it is equivalent symbol. Got the point? ये mistake नहीं करना है for this type of sum. Okay, chalo, we'll move on to the next. Start. So this is the left hand side. So we'll give the first preference to P, Q, yes or no. Then for the negation, check the negation. It is there in the left hand side for P and Q, no. For right hand side, yes, it is there for negation of Q. Okay, done. P, Q individual over negation of q, yes, here also p and q individual over. Now what you will do, focus on the left hand side first. Left hand side. Okay, just simply focus on the left hand side first. Yes or no? For left hand side, what is the main connection? Implies. So this will come first. It is there. Then after that, p implies q will come. So p implies q, and the main connection for this two slot is implies. So p implies q. Understood? Okay, so done with the left hand side. This is the left hand side column. Now focus on the right hand side. So for right hand side, here the main connection again, it is implies. So first negation of q will come, already it is there in the slot. Then p implies q will come, p implies again it is there in the slot. So वापिस से रिपीट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, नो नीड, नहीं करना है. Then we left with this main connection, yes or no? So this pattern will come at the end. Okay, so in the type number 1, what you will do, you will give this numbering as 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. In that method number 2, what you will do, you will solve this part separately, and then 1 and 2. So this method is the textual method, ये नंबरिंग वाला, और नंबरिंग वाला ही करो. अंडरस्टूड? Okay, so here p will be what? True, true, false, false. Q, true, false, true, false. Negation of q, false, true, false, true. Implies. So we know that in implies, what happened? Implies, simply focus on true, false now, because the rest will be true. So true, false. Implies, check. First is what? P, and then Q. The connection is implies. So in this way you have to check. Okay, true, false, it is there. True, false is false, and the rest will be true. Yes or no? Now the fifth column is what? Between P and P implies Q. That means P and P implies Q, and the connection is again implies. Yes or no? No need of drawing this pattern. Yes or no? ये सिर्फ समझाने के लिए बता रहा हूँ. So first come first is P, and then second wala is P implies Q. The connection is implies. So we know that in implies what happened? True implies false is false, and the rest will be true. So only focus on true, false. True, false, true, false, true, false. So it is that. So true, false is false, and the rest will be true. Now the last, sixth. The first is negation of Q. So this will go between P implies Q, between P implies Q. Yes or no? Between P implies Q, not with the fifth column. तो ये सब मिस्टेक नहीं करना है. The point. So negation of P, it is there, and implies P implies Q. Now between these two, yes or no? So what is the connection? Again it is implies. So we know that implies में क्या होता है? Implies में only we have to check for true, false. So between these two, yes or no? Check true, false, true, false, true, false. Yes, second one. So the rest will be what? True. Now here can I say our left hand side is what? The column number 5th, and the right hand side is what? Column number 6th. Check the column number 5th and 6th are same or what? True, false, true, false. Here true, false, true, false. Answer is proved. So in the last final step, what you will write? This is a common step you have to write. Common step means the statement is common. In the above truth table, entries in column. So this is column and this is row. Understood? In column number 5 and 6 are identical, you will write. What will you will use the word in place of same? You will use the word identical. So hence we can say that again you will write the same question with equivalent symbol. Okay, and then you will write hence proved. That's it. So for this type number 2, we'll take only one example and then remaining you have to solve by yourself. Okay, whether it is for 2 alphabet, whether it is for 3 alphabet. Okay, first you will construct table, then fill this part, give the numbering, check the numbering of left hand side and right hand side. If they are identical, then we can say that the given pattern they are equivalent. Yeah, equivalence, yeah, equal we can say. Understood? Okay, so now we'll move on to the type number 3. So what is the type number 3? Where you have to examine whether the given statement pattern are tautology, contradiction and contingency. Okay, already मैंने sum को solve किया है. It is like the type number 1 only. Okay, see the pattern, prepare the table, and then just simply you have to check whether it is the given pattern is tautology, contradiction or contingency. So we'll see what do you mean by tautology. So it is a grammatical word, but here in this chapter the meaning of tautology, it means if the truth value in the last column, if the truth value in the last column are true, मतलब सब true है, are true all. So truth value in the last column are true, मतलब each and every row, मतलब हर एक चीज true आ रहे, so it is known as tautology. Contradiction means what? False. The truth value in the last column, okay, each and every row is false, it is known as contradiction. The meaning of contingency means true or false, दोनों होना चाहिए. So contingency means it is neither tautology or contradiction, दोनों एक साथ आना चाहिए, true or false. So in the last column, if it is not identical, मतलब सेम नहीं है, मतलब सब ट्रू या सब फॉल्स नहीं है, दोनों मिक्सचर है. Like for the first example here, it is true, false, true, true. It is not same, it is not identical. ये वाला पार्ट identical नहीं है ना, सेम नहीं है. So it is a mixture of true or false. So ये जो पैटर्न है, it is neither tautology nor contradiction, मतलब उसके लिए एक परफेक्ट नाम है, which is known as what? Contingency. Okay, so first you will see the pattern, then you will construct the table, then see the last column, and after constructing the table you will write one sentence that truth value in the last column are not identical, hence it is contingency. This statement you will write, or else you will write the truth value in the last column contain true as well as false, so hence it is contingency, it is on you. जैसा स्टेटमेंट लिखना है वैसा लिखना. अंडरस्टूड? सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय टोटोलॉजी? ऑल शुड बी ट्रू, कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन ऑल शुड बी फॉल्स, कंटिजेंसी बोथ ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. सो मैंने ऑलरेडी सॉल्व किया जस्ट. ओके, वापस से सॉल्व करके बताने में देयर इज़ नो यूज़. ओके, सो मैंने ऑलरेडी सॉल्व किया है एंड देन द स्टेटमेंट यू हैव टू राइट, दैट्स इट. अंडरस्टूड? Okay, we'll see the second sum. Already solve किया है. For the second sum, see the last column, all the values are true, so here you will write all the truth value in the last column are true, hence it is tautology. Got the point? That's it. See the pattern, construct the table, see the last column. Okay, if all the values are true, it is tautology. All the values are false, it is contradiction. If it is mixture of true and false, then contingency. Okay, see the third example. See the pattern, construct the table. Now check the last column. So here can I say all the truth value in the last column, you will write the sentence, are false, hence it is contradiction. Understood? Or you will write the sentence, all the truth values in the last column are false, hence it is contradiction. Got the point? Okay, move on to the next, fourth one. This for 3 alphabet. See the pattern, construct the table. Now check the last column. So here the last column is what? The truth value in the last column are not same. It is not, all the values are not true, false. It consists of true and false both. So that means hence it is contingency. The meaning of contingency is what? It is neither tautology nor contradiction. Okay, so that means it is contingency. Got the points? Understood? So we can say that is the end of the truth table. So in this video we saw how to construct the table. That was the type number 1, how to construct the table. Then we saw equivalent, and the last type it was tautology, contradiction and contingency. So this exercise for commerce as well as for science, this exercise is very important. Okay, so please don't skip this exercise and try to by heart the truth table. This is the truth table in front of you. Okay, it has to be tip of tongue. Got the point? Okay, chalo, bye.